Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Mad Out 2. So let's get started. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos if you like. So let's take this car. So this is the first video actually from video game videos I'm actually talking to the mic. You basically saw me in other videos, so I'm talking. In most other games, I usually don't talk because I just don't feel like talking sometimes, basically. But I'm gonna do like a first time talking in a game video because. So let's see you guys were. So I'm gonna be heading now to let's go to the airport. Basically, there's like an airport, but you cannot really fly in the plane. That's the official thing. Important thing. So, okay, so stupid car just crashed into me. I'm gonna be honest. People in this game, like this is like AI game, so you can play it with real people, or you have it on play with AI. But mostly I play with the offline version because I just don't feel like having advertised coming every time up. I really hate advertising because that's what I hate. But I'm gonna be honest, real people player are kind of good. Like they don't crash fast, but some of them do. But I'm gonna be honest, the ones with the AI are the worst because they always. Those AI people always crash into your car for no reason. They will do it until your car is almost enough. On purpose, they will crash your car. That's typically those AI. Those AI they always crash into your car. Like, if you play the game, you will understand what I mean because you see the telephone tower, the TV tower there. Shoot, I went, I guess, on the wrong road, so I'm supposed to go down. So I don't want to crash, which I don't want to crash. So I will leave the game itself name in the description and where you can download it. You can just download it on Google Play. So it's just a mobile game because I'm filming my videos on mobile because I don't have a computer or camera. So if you guys want to see any other PlayStation videos, let me know. I'm not sure you guys can end how much this car has been through. Like look how many look how crazy. They are. Why do I keep going? So I'm keep going to the wrong road. Don't know why, but that's the thing about this map is that the map will point you to a random map. Okay, sorry, forget about this car. So yeah, there's these stupid AIs. I really hate AI since they came out, bro. I really hate them. They are so everything, and they do stuff that are unexpected. So like for example, you driving a car in the game, they suddenly come out of nowhere and crash on purpose into you. They always do that. Like look, so like you'll see what I mean. Like look how this person will be. So that's typical AI. AIs always do that. That they will on purpose crash into your car. So let me see if I can find a good car because these I don't want the old. Okay. So I'm just gonna take one of these cars. Same thing with the police. There's like a police in the game. That's what so basically like. I don't know why, but it keeps saying to me like go straight on the map. But when I go straight, suddenly it's saying go left. Why am I going so fast? Sorry about the glitch. That's basically the internet itself for the Wi-Fi here. That's where I live. I'm gonna be out. The Wi-Fi in this country where I live is so bad. The worst internet I have. So it's on my phone. My phone is not the problem. It's just the Wi-Fi. It's the Wi-Fi itself. Because the internet here is bad. So if you notice any glitching or like crashing on your phone, it's not the phone. It's basically the internet where I live. So it's always it's probably me because. But this is a brand new phone also. It's a new phone, but it's just the internet here. But internet, like, see, this is exactly what I mean. I'm so blind, I cannot even see the airport is. So you can hear some private jets. There isn't any jumbo jet, so I was trying to see if there was an active jumbo jet. Look at this car, like those AI people broke like half of the car. It's like they want to break 50-50. Where the heck did he come from? So some weirdo behind me. I'm gonna try speeding. So let him come after me. Okay, I'm thinking he's gone. Yeah, he's gone. So if you want to try this game, guys, I'll leave it in the description so you guys can play it. You can play it. So I guess here's some other type. I don't know what kind. Look out! Look at these. Look at those tails. They're so tiny. So I'm gonna climb. I'm gonna see if I can go into the air traffic control. And this is like a Russian game, so it's not like an American game. It's all Russian. There's another. I might make another video of another Russian movie. So I play other country games. So if you just want me to, just let me know what games I should play, and I'll let you guys know when I'm gonna be able to play. And if I have time to make more videos, I'll make more videos for you guys. But please, guys, help me to reach at least 10,000, 100,000 subscribers, so I can make the best videos for you guys. And please help me come with more ideas. So for any videos, just let me know in the comments. Put it in the comments and just ask me what games I should play next. So if there's any requests or any games you would like to play, let me know. If it's any content, unfortunately I will not make any content videos yet because I still have to buy some games. So if it's a mobile horror game, action game, whatever game you have, just let me know and I'll play it. So just let me know. So just let me know what games I should play next. If you want Gran for an ice cream, the horror game ice cream, that can also be, or if you want Mr. Lee horror game, or just any other game, just let me know. I also made more of this video. If you want more of Arena horror game videos, just let me know. I will play and I'll pick a request and make that in my next video. And if you guys want a shout out in my next video, I'll give you guys a shout out in my next video. So just let me know and then I'll add you to my video. And please help me at least reach 1,000 or 100 subscribers at least till there, because I just want to reach the highest subscribers on YouTube. Please help me to reach at least till there. Yeah, so now basically I'm gonna be heading now where I am now. That's wrong man. So I'm gonna be heading around. So this is the last area I'm gonna make this video. So this is my last part of making the video, and then I'll post later on, maybe in a few minutes, or no, I mean maybe in a few hours, another video, because I still have to go. I have to go somewhere. So maybe I might make another video later on. So basically I'm gonna head around this area. So yeah. So yeah. Please like and subscribe guys for more videos. And if you like my videos, please leave a comment and tell me how you guys find my videos. If you guys find it nice, I will make more videos for you guys. So I'm gonna take this out. That's what I hate. That's exactly what I mean. Yeah, I'm gonna steal it. I think it's like a McLaren. I think this is a McLaren. I'm guessing.
It's the weekend.
Okay, I'm just forget about it. I'm just gonna take my old thing. One thing I don't understand about the police is why do they always crash into you if they're trying to go to someone else? So they on purpose crash into you just to make you look like an idiot, or make you feel like that you're the bad person in the game. Yeah. I don't know why they have this, but If you look at the license plate, you should just see the name of the game. So that's called the game Mad Out 2, and this is free on mobile, iOS, Android, or any phone that you get. If you have Android or iOS, you should be able to download it. It's very fun game. Recommend it. Only thing I don't like is the AI. So I rather play online. So I recommend playing online than the offline because you always have that problem that AIs will start crashing into your card for no reason, on purpose. Yeah. And yeah, so we arrived at our destination. So I'm gonna show you the house that I really want in the game. So they're basically almost the same houses, just like really cool. So the house I want is, I don't like this one because this one is in the middle of the road, which I really don't know why. Why is it in the middle of a roundabout or a like in the city? It's kind of cool. I will take. Let me know if I should take this house. Sorry about the crash of the car. It's very hard to play this game like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching guys my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for any other videos. Let me know what I should play next. If you have any questions on what I should play, please let me know and I will play it. So just let me know what I should play next. Okay guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.